And it goes a little something like
I'll give you all summer and after fall I'll keep you all.
I had applied for my silver play button on July 23, 2022. I received it on 11th August, 2022, after facing a lot of KYC issues. But never mind, it's here. So let's unbox it together, besties.
I don't wanna be if you sit on the door. If you can't see me, I'll say way to go. Maybe a way to go. You're what I have to be. I don't know that I someday I should have known now. I was drunk in this night and
So this was the small unboxing video of my silver play button. Thank you for 100,000 subs, besties. I'm incredibly grateful to each one of you. I really wish I could hug my besties and tell you how much your one like, comment, share, or subscribe mean to me.